Welcome to Orchestrating Workflows for GenAI Applications, built in partnership with Astronomer. In this course, you build a RAG pipeline that ingests descriptions of books from text files, then computes embeddings for the descriptions and stores the embeddings in a vector database. You automate the pipeline using Airflow, which is an orchestration tool that ensures that the steps are executed in the correct order, and also that the pipeline is triggered at the right time. I'm delighted that your instructors for this course are Kenten Danas, Developer Relations Senior Manager, as well as Tamara Fingerlin, who is Developer Advocate at Astronomer.
Thanks, Andrew. We're excited to work with you on this course.
To move your proof of concept from development to production, you need to transform your logic into an automated pipeline consisting of multiple steps, where each step represents one operation. Say, for example, you have access to a list of files containing product reviews, and you've written a large block of code that summarizes each review for each product. To automate this workflow, you can break the logic into a sequence of steps, such as first, find the location of the review text files for each product. Then second, aggregate the feedback across reviews for each product. Third, summarize the reviews for each product using an LLM. And then finally, extract sentiments from the summaries, again using an LLM. This approach helps you easily identify failure points across the pipeline and recover from them.
For many GenAI pipelines, failures can occur due to API rate limits or the API returning other errors, which can happen if the LLM has to process large volumes of product reviews. In this course, you'll learn how you can configure retries for your tasks so your pipeline can wait for a little bit before trying again. You will also learn how you can process large data in parallel, for example, at the summarization step. Instead of creating summaries of all products in one step, you can process the reviews of each product in parallel. And finally, you will also learn how the pipeline can be triggered whenever new data becomes available or gets updated, like a new set of product review pairs.
You will apply all these practices to your RAG example. You will start with a Jupyter Notebook that contains a RAG prototype ingesting and embedding book descriptions. After learning basic Airflow syntax, you will turn that prototype into an Airflow pipeline that runs manually. After that, you will schedule it to run automatically, make it adapt to your data at runtime, and even add automatic retries and notifications in case of failure. In the final lesson, you'll learn how Airflow is used to orchestrate GenAI workflows in real life.
Many people have worked to create this course. I'd like to thank, from Astronomer, Stephen Hillion, and from DeepLearning.AI, Hawraa Salami had also contributed to this course. The process of turning a Jupyter Notebook to runnable production software is an important skill for any AI developer. In the next video, you go through this entire process and see how to do it yourself. One of the non-intuitive aspects for many developers doing it for the first time is that the process of breaking down the workflow into steps usually ends up with a larger number of smaller individual steps than you might expect. And gaining intuition on how to do this will make your applications run faster and more reliably. So please go on to the next video to learn about this.